Hey guys, thank y'all for tuning into my channel. As always, as you can see today, I have on a very simple glam with the popping burgundy lips, something that'll be perfect for Christmas to sit at the dinner table with your family. It's something super simple and easy that you can definitely achieve and master before Christmas Day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and don't forget to give it 2 thumbs up. Okay, here you guys, you can see me filling in my brows. Same technique that I used on my previous videos. This time I'm using a brow gel, but I absolutely love it because it's just so smooth to go on, and I love the color of it. I think it's the color Espresso. I'm using a fine angle brush. It's from MAC. I believe it's number 263. But I absolutely love this brow technique, and I love to use these two products together because it makes my brows look so natural and flawless. So you guys should definitely check those products out. Also, as you can see, I already have my foundation on. I did my foundation first. I didn't record that part, but I did the foundation and the concealer. I haven't used any powder just yet to set it. I'll do that actually later on in the video because you know I love to let my foundation set for a couple of minutes or a couple of seconds before I actually put my powder on. Here's a little trick that I absolutely love. I don't know if I shared this with you guys before, if you watch my other videos, but on this particular, what I'm doing here is I'm using a concealer that's at least 2 shades lighter than my skin tone, and I'm putting it right at the high point of my brow. What that's going to do is give me the illusion of a higher arch. And now I'm going to go in with my natural color and conceal the front part of my brow as well as the end part of my brow. And then once I finish, I'll kind of blend that all together. But if you notice, it'll give my brow the illusion of a higher arch. And I think that's like the perfect trick ever if you like a high arched brow. Oh my God, see the difference just a brow alone can make? Okay, now for the shadow part. If you notice, I'm doing something a little bit different. I'm using a shimmer color on my eyelid, but if you notice, I'm going a little bit higher than my eyelid. I'm going up towards my crease, but I'm not going all the way in my crease, if that makes sense. And also this time, which is much different, I didn't start off with my crease color or my buffer color, as we like to call it. So this is something that's going to keep it natural, no cut creases, no strong definition, just nothing but highlighting and contouring our natural eye shape. Notice how I'm only keeping the shimmer color towards the front part of my eye, and I'm not going all the way over to the end. Now I'm going to go in with the buffer color, which is that crease color that's at least like 1 to 2 shades darker than my skin tone. Nothing too harsh or too dark or something that's going to make it too deep. I'm just naturally contouring my natural crease. And what I'm doing is I'm blending it windshield wiper motion with a 224 buffer brush right into my crease. And that's it. If you can notice, it's not too much. Here I'm just touching up and blending a little bit more of the shimmer into the buffer color. Now for a little bit more definition, I'm going into the corner crease of my eye, and I'm kind of sculpting out my eyeball, if that makes sense to you. You'll notice once you do it, once you try it on yourself. So just to give a little bit more depth to my eyes, since they are so flat and I don't have a deep crease, I'm just creating it, but subtly. Also, as you can see, I'm not going across my whole eye with the darker brown color. I'm just keeping it right there in the corners, going up just a little bit, but not higher than that buffer color, because I still want it to be natural and soft. Here I'm adding just a little lace glitters, and if you know, I did not use any glue. I only wet my brush just a little bit and placed it lightly on top of that shimmer shadow in the front. Here I'm just using a nude eyeliner. It was actually a concealer stick from MAC, but it was in an eyeliner form, and it was safe to use under the eye. But I don't know if you can actually find a color like this in the stores, but I'm pretty sure. And now for the lashes. I'm actually using number 102 in the blue pack. You can find them in your local urban beauty store. These are my absolute favorite. I do have them listed in other videos where I actually show them to you in the pack. But I'm using a tweezer to put them on as always. And yes, I use hair glue, the black track glue, to make them stick as well. I just absolutely love that glue. Also, if you notice, I did not do a top liner, which is a first for me, but it made the look even more natural, and I actually like it. Now I'm just popping out those bottom lashes with some mascara. It was just a cheap mascara from the beauty store, I think by Ruby Kiss, which is pretty good, and it dries fast, so I love that. So I'm just kind of bringing those bottom lashes out so I can just pop a little bit more. And then I'm gonna, those little furry lashes that stick out underneath the false lashes, which are yours, I'm just going to put a little mascara with them so they can kind of stick a little bit better to the lashes and it does not look like double layer or whatever. Now I'm doing the face part, but what I'm doing is, since I already had my foundation and concealer on, I'm just adding the powder steps. Like I'm doing my highlighting powder, my contour powder, and blush and highlight and things like that. As far as the contour, somebody was in the comments on one of my videos. I bring my contour that far towards on my cheek area because I want my face to be a little bit more sculpted. So that's why I make my contour come a little further across my face, if that makes sense. But you know, do it to your own discretion, and it still can be natural as long as it's blended and not too dark. So it's okay to bring your contour just a little bit further up if you desire to. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. You have no idea how much I appreciate you and how much it means to me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I know I skipped a part with doing the lipstick. I tried a couple of colors. It did not work. But here I have on Murda Matte by the Crayon Case, and it worked out perfect. I absolutely love it. It matched my background. So, hey, it was a winner. I'm sorry I didn't have that recorded, but it was pretty simple. Thank you guys, and I will definitely see you next time.